Hey,
Hey, small.
Hey guys,
can't cook that well.
Guys, calm down. Calm down.
Huh?
Just calm down. Hey, this is our close-up. No, I'm joking. There are certain areas of the U.S. that are known for their tasty barbecue. I'll do that again. Jill's the one who walked in the shop with her sign. That's funny. Okay.
Kansas City. Kansas City.
There are areas of the U.S. that are, it was pretty fun to watch. But, bless you, the best part, only you. Sorry, I'm sorry, I was blocking his face. Time to get to work. Oh, that's awful, sorry.
Anna, are you afraid of bees? I'll take that as a yes.
Okay. What happened?
It's not scary. Come on, I'll show you.
Wait for this truck to pass and then you can show me.
Bees know your feelings.
Fun facts. Fun facts. Okay, I don't know why I just did that, but get aboard, sailor. Oh, who is he? Who are you?
You're such a good reporter.
And ice cream?
Sorry, I said the wrong lines. Is it important? See, I don't know what's important with the grammar.
What do you mean?
Pete, you can tear these want ads up. Or can you?